Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings, and in here we're gonna navigate down to System, Reset Options, and Erase All Data. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and all user data. So if you have anything of that sort that you would like to retain, make a backup copy of it to, for instance, something like your computer. I don't have anything here, so I'm just gonna select Erase All Data, Erase All Data. If you have a screen lock, chances are between these two clicks, you would need to verify your screen lock. I don't have anything like that, so it automatically jumps to resetting the device. Now this process will take about 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.